Hello guys, good evening. So you're looking for a way how to post a GIF in WhatsApp. So let's go to WhatsApp. Let's type a message. Hope you are using Google Keyboard. You have to click the smiley and you have to select GIF. They have some pre-designed smileys. You can redesign GIF. You can use them. Yep. If you want to search something, you can do that also. Search sticker. Suppose good morning you want to search. Sorry again for my slow internet. I don't know why. There are some. That's it. Yep. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video.